Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a refreshing, healthy summer drink recipe ideal to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 2 cups of water, a small piece of ginger which I'm roughly slicing and adding in, 2 amlas. Amla is also known as Indian gooseberry. It's a rich source of vitamin C and ideal to include in your diet as it will help to boost your immunity. I'm roughly slicing the amla and adding it into the blender jar. Make sure you remove the pit of the amla. Squeeze in half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed, 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, and I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and blended well. Okay, now it's nicely blended. Strain the blended ingredients into a glass or a bowl. With a spoon, press down the residue. Into a small bowl, I am adding in 1/3 teaspoon basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds. Basil seeds or sabja seeds has cooling properties and is ideal to use in the summers. Add in some water and allow the basil seeds to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm using fresh mint leaves from my garden. Mint leaves helps to keep your body cool and also gives an amazing flavor to the drink. Try to use fresh organic mint leaves. To serve the drink, into my serving glass, I'm adding in a couple of leaves of fresh mint leaves, adding in a fat pinch of sea salt crystals. With a muddler or with the back of a wooden spoon, I'm lightly muddling or crushing the mint leaves. This will impart the unique flavor of the mint leaves into the amla juice. Meanwhile, the sabja seeds has soaked and has swelled up. So I'm adding half of the sabja seeds into the glass. For sweetness, I'm using honey. I have some wild spiced honey. I just happen to have this wild honey at hand, hence I'm using it in this recipe. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon honey. You can increase or decrease as per your taste. Pour in the blended amla juice. Garnish it with a sprig of mint leaves. And a super healthy summer drink with amla is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy amla juice and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.